Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas. I hope you guys are having a great day today, and thanks for joining us. So Rosa and I are collaborating on this 12 Days of Christmas challenge, and y'all, I am pretty excited. Okay, so last time we did this, she wrote a list out, and we followed the list of everything that we needed to make for the challenge. And so we kind of did the same thing this year. And I had some ideas, and she threw in some ideas for the challenges. So 1 through 12, we have something every day that we will be making that is different. And so we are to just kind of get our creative juices flowing and create something with these titles. So the first one is traditional colors. And so that one is pretty easy, right? I mean, just make something with traditional colors. The next one is a fancy fold card. And then number 3 is blue Christmas. So you have to make something blue for Christmas. Number 4 is snowman. Number 5 is oh Christmas tree. Number 6 is a nutcracker, which that one's going to be a little hard for me because I don't have anything nutcracker, so I have to figure that one out. So the next one is winter wonderland. 8 is Christmas countdown. 9 is a hot cocoa movie night. And number 10 is Christmas sparkle. 11 is untraditional colors, and number 12 is Dear Santa. So these are all such fun ideas. So I'm really excited to get started on these. Now I already have some of these created, and number 1 is traditional colors. So stay tuned because up next is my little traditional color for day number 1 of our 12 days of Christmas. So enjoy. We're going to be making some little mittens. And I bought this die, I think it was last year, and I thought it was so stinking cute. And so I thought it would be super cute for some embellishments that I wanted to make for a swap. So I just wanted to share that with you. So I'm actually going to make 3 different sizes. I'm going to make this big size, the little size, and then the small size for each participant. So that's what we're going to be doing, and we're just going to be using again our scraps. So I pulled out some scraps again, and these ones I don't want to use, so I'll put those back over this way. So I thought that these were so stinking cute, and so I just pulled out a lot of my scraps. Again, these are all the scraps that I've had from various card making, memory books and things like that. So I thought, you know what, this is perfect time to use my scraps. I do have full sheets left, and I have a lot of stickers left from these paper pads. I went ahead and mixed a bunch of different ones from Photo Play. There's Mad Plaid Christmas. There is Here Comes Santa. And let's see, I have Mad Plaid. Oh, here's another one from, this one's from Echo Park. It is a Lori Whitlock, Reflections of Christmas. I think that's what it's called. Another one from Lori Whitlock. And again, like I said, I just mixed like a bunch of different ones together. These are some of the cut apart cards that I have left over from this. And then all these stickers, which is awesome. So I can definitely use those to, layer or embellish. But I think I already know what I want to do for the embellishments, which is something else. So these are some cut apart cards here, and I'm just going to go ahead and set those over there. And then again, these are the 2 right here that I have been using. Okay, so if you have these in your stash, you can definitely make some mittens with me, follow along. So here I have 1, 2, 3 full sheets left, you guys, of these collections together. So that is it, besides the cut apart cards that I've got, and then the scraps. And definitely using all the scraps, you guys. My goal is to get rid of these hopefully this year. If I don't get rid of them this year, they're going in like a bin to give away, or to just possibly go in the bin for recycling paper. So because I'm done.
had this set for, I want to say 2 or 3 years now. So I think 3 years, and I'm like wanting to get over it, move on. Let's get on with the next 12 by 12 sheet papers. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut these out, and I'm just going to fast forward as I do this, okay? And then we'll start decorating these, and I can't wait. I'm excited. So stay tuned. Okay, so after I went ahead and cut out the little mittens here, I actually ended up just using these pieces, which are the larger pieces with the little stitch cut around the edges there. So I used those, and then I went ahead and grabbed some white cardstock and put it through this, I forget what they call this. I forget what this is called, you guys, but it's this little thing that has the little, ridges on it that make this pattern. I cannot remember the name of this. It'll come to me after the video, I'm sure. So if you know what I'm talking about, you can put it in the comments, but I cannot remember what it's called right now. Anyway, so I cut out that, and then I made a little top for the mitten here, and I'm going to share with you how I did that. So I just grabbed one of the little mittens, okay, and I stuck the bottom piece, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom in real quick so y'all can see. Let's see if that'll be, oh, that is, there we go, there we see. Let me move this away. Okay, so you're going to take your mitten, and you're just going to line it, this, see where you have this indent right here at the top of your mitten, okay, and that is going to go just like that at the edge of your little piece right here. And I just grabbed my pencil and then drew a line around it, just like that. Okay, so just like that, and then you can cut that out. And I basically just took my scissors and cut on the inside part of that line, okay. Just around there, just like that. Just like that. Okay, and then I think I have like a little piece right there, pencil, and then that will fit right on top of your little mitten, just like that. How cute, right? That is so cute. So so you have little ridges on there as your little mitten, okay, and then you can stick that down. For the other mittens here, I might go ahead and use like a snow on the mittens here. I don't know yet. Or I might use another different pattern piece of paper for the tops of these. I thought that would be super cute. So anyway, and then I went ahead and cut out some little flowers. I punched these out of my little flower punch here, and I'm going to stick those together to kind of, I think I might stick them together to make like a little poinsettia, okay, because that's what I usually do with those. And then I also cut out some little snowflakes here, and I thought those would be super cute. And then I'm going to cut out some little leaves here, and I've got some another little holly punch, and I've got a leaf punch here. So yeah, and I don't know if I shared, here's the holly punch right here. And then this is the little flower punch. If you have that, you can make poinsettias out of this one. And usually I just double stack them just like this. And I do this pretty much every year. I'll make small poinsettias. I do have a die that is a small poinsettia die, but I didn't get it out. I wanted to use the punch. So I just used the punch this year. So, and it just makes a little poinsettia just like that. So I thought that would be super cute for a little embellishment on the mitten. And then I have some little sequins here. I've got green and red, and I've got stickles and any other little items that I find I'll go ahead and stick on there, and I'll let you know what I'm using to decorate my mittens. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate one of the mittens on camera, or maybe a few of them on camera, and then the rest of them, I'll share with you after I'm done decorating them all. So, okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So I went ahead and decorated my gloves with some of the pretty little ribbon here it's like a fluffy white ribbon, and it's so cute. So I went ahead and decorated some of the mittens with that, and then I decorated the ribbons using some rickrack green sparkly ribbon that I got from a swap a while back. And so I did that, and I just kind of decorated the tops of each of the mittens with different types of little paper, glittery paper. I thought that would look like really cute. So, and then I cut out my flowers. I also did my little poinsettias, like I was telling you about, with this little cute flower punch. And and then I cut out some leaves with this one, and then with this punch here. So now I'm also going to be using some of the stickers from my sticker sheets that I've got in my stash. So I'm going to be using some of those. And then I also found some of these super cute little gingerbread in my stash. So I'm going to use these. And I don't know if I'll use these or not, but I thought these were super cute. So these are like they look like little Christmas balls, but they have red cardinals on the tops of these. And I just thought that those were really, really super pretty. So anyway, and then I have my little snowflakes here still. So I've got those. So we are going to be decorating these now, and I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through this part.
So here I decided to go ahead and place on some of the little gingerbread men on the smaller mittens, and I think they turned out so stinking cute. Next, I went ahead and placed those pretty little snowflakes that I punched out onto the medium mittens. And then I went ahead and added some sparklies to these little mittens using my flat back little pearl, or not pearls, little gems here to the mittens in the middle of the snowflake. Then I added some icicle stickles to each of the snowflakes to make them a little bit more sparkly. So once I punched out my leaves, I went ahead and just folded them in the middle so they would have like a crease in between them, just so that way it gives it more dimension. And then I went ahead and placed those down with my poinsettias, and I think that they looked super, super cute. I really liked how these little mittens turned out, and I'm so addicted to making them. So I really think they turned out good. And you can use them on scrapbook pages, you can use them on cards, you can place them on a tag, you can make them for a memory decks card, ATC card, whatever your little heart desires. I just think that they're such a good little embellishment to any project. So after I finished the tops of the mittens, I went ahead and used the chipboard pieces and my sticker pieces to embellish the little mittens further. And then I added some stickles to add a little bit more of a sparkly touch to everything. I really liked using up all of my stash, and using the chipboard pieces and the little stickers just made these little mittens so adorable. I just love how they turned out. All right, so next you see that I have this little snowman, and I'm adding some foam tape to him. And this is just another little sticker that I got, and I'm just going to go ahead and set him right on top of that little mitten there. And then I'm going to add some little stickles to brighten him up just a bit. So cute. Now for this little mitten, I went ahead and stuck down a little sticker snowflake, and then right on top of it, I added a little heart sticker snowflake to make it look like it was a pocket. And I thought it turned out super cute. And then I just added some, again, some stickles to the little snowflake and to the candy cane to embellish it a little bit more. All right, y'all, so I'm finished with the little mittens. They turned out so stinking cute. I love how these turned out. And in the video, you saw how I made a bunch more, okay? And so I had already sent those out to the swap partners because I had to get those in the mail right away, but I came back and I did some extra ones, and I just love how these turned out. Again, I used my stash, my Christmas paper stash that I had, and then I used my crimper to make the little mittens, you know, the tops of the mittens, how they have that little ridges in them. And so I went ahead and did that with my crimper. And then here, I love this white little yarn that I used that has the like little shiny furry stuff. It reminds me of some gloves when I was little, and I had like this little furry stuff on my gloves. And then here I went ahead and did a little poinsettia. I used some chipboard here, and the chipboard that I used was from Photoplay. It is the North Pole Trading Co. Chipboard shapes, and that's what that looks like. I thought that was so cute. So this is my day one traditional colors for the 12 days of Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys got some inspiration from this video. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.